Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amit Lathikra. In this video, I'm demonstrating you how to use CSS, that is cascading style sheet in HTML page. Generally, we are using cascading style sheet for the look and feel purpose, which you can apply in your HTML page. Usually, we are using HTML code to specify what kind of content we want to display in our page. And we are using CSS to specify how to display that particular content. So in a summary, HTML we are using to specify what to display in a web page, and CSS we are using to specify how to display. In general, overall look and feel in terms of font family, in terms of font size, foreground color, background color, padding, margin, so on and so forth. If I talk about CSS, then we are having three kinds of CSS. One is inline CSS, second one is internal, and third one is external. Inline CSS, let's begin with it. Usually we are using it along with HTML tag. For an example, on screen, this is a very basic HTML page. Let's put one paragraph which is displaying demo of CSS. Output, this is an output of my HTML page. Now let's try to apply inline CSS here. To apply an inline CSS, we can use style attribute. Within this style, we can specify CSS property along with its value. What I want to do, I want to change a color of this paragraph text, so I can use color attribute of CSS. To specify its value, I can use colon, and then I can specify name of the color, that is say blue. Let's save this code. Let's check an output. So here, if you observe, I have displayed paragraph text with blue color. Next, what I want to do, I want to make it center line through inline CSS. To specify more than one attribute associated with a particular tag, we can use semicolon as a separator, text line, again colon, and let's have center. We can specify right and justify to. To specify background color, we background color, and let's specify yellow as a background. Attributes are common irrespective of tag. For an example, if I want to use same for header 1, then what I need to use, I need to use h1 tag, and let's end it. I kept CSS attributes as it is, and let's check an output. Similar way, what I want to do, I want to use header 2 now. So let's change it to header 2 output. So in general, these all CSS attributes remain common. Now what I want to do, I want to change font type as well as its size. So in header 1, let's change font family to Vardhana. So let me use CSS attribute as font family and Vardhana. Let's check an output. Next, what I want to do, I want to increase the size of my text in paragraph. So let me use here font size, and let me specify font size as say 30 pixel. Let's save. Let's check an output. Skip only paragraph. An output. Now what I want to do, I want to keep 3 different paragraphs. So let's copy and paste it 2 more times. and let's check an output. Now what I want to do, I want to change color of my paragraph text to red. So what I need to do, I need to change color to red from blue. So this change I want to make 3 times. As it is inline CSS, I need to do it with each tag. Alternatively, what we can use, if you want to apply same style more than once within the same page, then more preferred way is internal CSS. Internal CSS we can introduce in our page within the head section. So this is my head section. Within the head section we can use tag. Within this style we can specify a selector. I want to apply it for paragraph text, so P. In pair of curly brackets we need to specify all our CSS attributes value pairs. For an example, I want to change color to red. I want to make it center line, so text align is center. I want to change font family of my paragraph to Vardhana. Font size I want to keep 30 pixel. Background color is yellow. Now what I want to do, I want to apply it through internal CSS, so I'm removing my inline CSS code. Keep 3 paragraphs as it is, and this is an output. Now benefit of internal CSS, if I want to change any of the attribute, for an example I want now green color, so I need to change here at one place and I can get its effect at all different places. Similar way I want to change font size to 20 pixels and font family to Arial, so I can get its effect all together. Not only this, what I want to do, I want to have 6 header 1, similar way my header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5, header 6. I kept 6 headers. What I want to do for all these 6 headers, I want center alignment and I want to change its color, text color. So usually what I want to do, within the internal CSS, I can make text line as center. Let's make font color as red. Let's change font family to Vardhana. So this is what I applied in H1. Similar kind of formatting I require in H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So I need to apply style in this way. Let's check an output. Alternatively, if your style remains same for more than one text like I did earlier, you can specify all selectors together, separate out with comma. So here I have specified H1 to H6 all together. an output. Blue, it's applicable to all headers. Not only this, if you want to apply to paragraph 2, then use paragraph, and let's keep only this much of style, so it's applicable to paragraph 2. Now along with internal CSS, I want to use inline CSS. Then I can use here style attribute, and here I can specify, for example, I want to change background color. So let me use background color as yellow, and let's change font size to 20 pixel. So that particular style is applicable to my first paragraph. Not only this, here if I want to change its color, so let me use color as red. Let's check an output. So what I am demonstrating here, in internal CSS I kept color blue, while in inline CSS I kept color red. So here inline CSS is replacing the format whatever I applied through internal CSS. In continuation with typography, what I want to do here in this paragraph, I want to apply some kind of border. So to apply a border, what I can use attributes related with the border. So there are two options. One, if you want to apply it to all paragraphs, then use separate selector for P, where I can specify border style. So let me use say border style as solid. Let's save this code. Let's check an output. So whatever the text color I have used, same is applicable to border 2, which we can change through border color attribute. Pink. Let's save. Check an output. We do have various styles, like I used here solid. Another one is dotted. Then we are having dashed. Let's check an output. So solid, dotted, dash. If you require double border, then you can use double. So it keeps double border. Then we are having various effects like say groove. This is groove border. Then we are having ridge. So let's have ridge border. And we are having inset and outset. This inset. Another one is outset. This is outset. To apply individual borders. For example, I want to apply a mixed border. Then I can specify a mixed border too. For example, in top, I require in left, I require format of text. On bottom, require dotted, and on right side I require solid. So let's save. Let's check an output. Spelling mistake is double. Let's check an output. So on top side double, then left side dashed, bottom dotted, and right side it is solid. So right side it is solid. Next, what we can do, in the same paragraph I want to have a different borders. For an example, in one I require border style is double, and in second paragraph style what I require is to specify the concept of class. Class you can specify using dot, and then you can specify name of the class. So this is, say for example, double border of paragraph, and this is dash border of paragraph. Let's check an output first. None of the border is applied because I used concept of class. Now in a respective paragraph tag we can use class attribute, and here we can specify name of the class. So here I require dotted one, and here I require dashed one. First one I used class double, so first I want double, second one dashed. Let's check an output. So in this way you can apply the concept of class. Class you can specify respect to a particular tag or even in general. For example, this is my class for Vardhana font family. So here let me specify font family as Vardhana, and this is a class to apply, for example, text color red. Keep color red. Now what I want to do, I want to apply this Vardhana and red combination together in one paragraph. So this is the paragraph. Text. Now what I want to do, I want to apply that class which I've created. So Vardhana, you can apply more than one class by using this space and red. Way, already font family is Vardhana, so let's remove it from this style so that we can get its effect. So this is Vardhana and font color is red. So wherever in whatever the HTML tag you want to apply is the red color, just apply class is red. You will get its effect in output. So this kind of flexibility is provided. One is asterisk. Asterisk means in all. Whatever the HTML tag, what I want to use, background color is light blue. Whatever the HTML tag, right away from body, it is applicable to all text. So background color is now blue. So asterisk format is applicable to all HTML text. Let's save. This is the output. No change in output. Next, what to do? In the paragraph, let's apply concept of margin and padding. So let's keep a paragraph. This is paragraph 1 text, Let's end it. And this is my second paragraph. Let's work with internal CSS in paragraph. Let's apply now margins. We can apply same margin in each of the side, that is top, bottom, right, left, or even we can apply individual. To apply an individual, we can use margin top. For an example, I require 200 pixel, then margin on right, I require say 300 pixel, margin on bottom I require 500 pixel, margin on left I require 100 pixel. This is the margin which I have applied. Because of margins we can get text like this. So this is the left margin, top margin, bottom margin, and right margin. And same for second paragraph. Same for second paragraph. Let's apply border. So border style is solid. Apply font family is Vardhana. Change font size to 30 pixel. And output. So this is first paragraph and this is second paragraph. Margin is applicable from outer side. Within the paragraph, if you want to provide any space, then we can use the concept of padding. Likewise, margin we can apply padding. So let's use now padding. Let's keep different padding on different side. Let's keep right side 50 pixels, right side 200 pixel, bottom 100 pixel, left side again 50 pixel. Let's save. Let's check an output. So left, right, top and bottom appropriate space kept left, and this is possible with the help of padding. So earlier we used concept of margin, and later one we used concept of padding. Margin padding both, and let's apply it in different way. Within the tag using inline, let's apply style, and here what I want to do, I want to keep 4 border, say thickness is 5 pixel. I need double border, and for that color of border I need red. So this is what I have applied through inline one. Border first is thickness, second one is, let's keep thickness as 10 pixel, second is type of border, and third one is color. Keep solid to get an idea. So this is what I have applied through a single one. The same way we can apply margin and padding too within the inline as well as within the internal CSS option. Next, let's use the concept of some typography. For that, again, let's use paragraph. Save this code. as an output. Move border style to in paragraph text. Now what I want to do, I want to make text underline, so I can use text decoration as underline. Similar way, if you require overline, then use text decoration as overline. To apply effect of strikeout, then you can use line through, so text appeared as strikeout. So let's keep again underline. Next, what I want to do, I want to transform the case. So I want say uppercase. You can use text transform attribute uppercase. So whole paragraph text converted to uppercase. Similar, I can use lowercase. So my paragraph text converted to lowercase. We do have concept of capitalize, where first character of each word converted to uppercase. Let's have uppercase again. What I want to do, I want to apply italic effect. So font style is italic. To make it bold, we can use font weight, and we can apply a bold effect. So my paragraph text converted to bold. So this I have demonstrated with the help of paragraph. Same is applicable with any of the HTML tags like H1, H2, H3 and so on. Let's apply one list of type unordered list. So we can use UL tag for that, unordered list. To apply individual list item, we can use LI. So here I want to apply the list item next of text as name of color, say red, green and blue. So this is unordered list. Now in this unordered list, let's apply style. So I need to use UL family. Let's make Vardhana. Font size, let's keep pixel. Let's check an output. Now what I want to do in this unordered list, let's change this bullet style. So that is possible with the help of list style type. Possible values are, one is circle, which is default one. So here this is circle without filled one. Then we have square, make the effect of square. Convert unordered list to order list. Here we are having now red, green, blue as a text, but as we have used list style type, it is showing square. Now it is number as I have removed it. Now here possible options are, we can use say alphabets of upper type, so we can use upper alpha, so it appears ABC. If you want lowercase alphabets, you can use lower alpha. If you want to use Roman numericals, you can use 1, 2, 3. lower as well as upper Roman numerics. Default one is Arabic number. If you don't specify, we'll get 1, 2, 3. So this is all about how to apply basic styles. Demo, we have used internal as well as inline. Next is how to use external. So external is applicable if you are having more than one HTML file where you want to apply same text, same format. So this is my paragraph text. Let's end it. This is what style. Let's change its foreground color. So let's have color as red. And this is an output of my page. Now what I'm doing, I'm removing from this one, and let's save this page. Let's create a new file. Here I'm applying my style text. Let's change it in the folder where I've kept my HTML file. Let's save it with CSS extensions, so style.css. Now let's apply the CSS. So currently I have not applied it, but let's now apply it. So my style.css is available here. My page is in the same folder. An external file, we can use link tag within the head. We can specify its relation. This link indicates style set document. So style set href, the name of the file, as both are in the same folder, style.css. And let's check now output. So your benefit is, let's copy this page one more time and let's give my page 2. Let's run it. So this is my page 2, this is my page 1. Now in our CSS, let's change color to blue. So I'll change it at one place. Let's check output of my page 2 and my page. So in both the pages, we are getting effect of external CSS. So benefit of external CSS is, if you want to apply common style across your website, then keep your style code within the external file, like I kept it here, and link it in your HTML page using the head section. So this is all about how to use CSS in your HTML page. I hope you have enjoyed this learning session. For any questions, comments, feel free to write it in comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time ahead.